the best in camera effects.
When day blows me away, as soon as I turn, you've gone astray.
Today's video is sponsored by the famous painter Michelangelo. This one is one of my favorite techniques. For this technique you're gonna need a camera, obviously. You don't need an expensive camera, just one that you can take off the lens. The second thing you're gonna need is a hand. If you happen to be a person with two hands, it will be better. Detach the lens from the camera and slightly move it around. This way you will make your lens to look like a macro lens, and also you get some really nice light leaks in your image. You can use this technique with the lens cap on, and you'll get the light leaks in a black background. Import those clips in your timeline, place them over your clips, change the composite mode to overlay, and you've just made yourself some custom light leaks to use in any clip. With the light leak clip selected, you can go to the color page also, and adjust the color of the leak. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, who cares?
You've gone astray.